Hey, Paul Farmer here. Welcome to the channel. I thought today what I would do is I would give Sparky a call and ask a question that I got from someone the other day about the automatic duplication system. So instead of me explaining it, I'm going to let Sparky explain it for you.
Hi, this is Sparky AI, your network marketing virtual assistant on behalf of the Automatic Duplication. I am ready to help you build a massive team that duplicates. Will find and call thousands of prospects for you. May I know who I have the pleasure of talking to?
Hey, Sparky, it's Paul. I just have a quick
Hey,
question
Paul.
for you.
Sure thing, Paul. What's your question?
Yeah, I was just curious. If I don't have a business already, can I still use the automatic duplication system?
Absolutely, Paul. You can still use the Automatic Duplication System even if you don't have a business yet. We have built-in companies that you can promote, and you can also add your own later. Do you want to know more about how it works?
No, that's all. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome, Paul. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.
So there you have it. Uh, yes, you can without a business. So you don't need a business. Sparky AI is a business in a box. Automatic duplication system is a business in a box. It provides you with leads. It provides you with follow-up. Like you just heard Sparky AI. Sparky AI is going to call your leads, is going to text your leads, is going to voicemail drop your leads, is going to email your leads for you. Plus, we have a human phone team that's going to follow up and onboard your people as well. So it's a complete system. The system itself has a compensation plan, so you get paid off the products within the Sparky system. In fact, you can get started for as little as $20. As little as $20 when you watch this video. So go to the link in the description. You'll see this exact page when you click on that link, and it will take you right to this page. Watch the video, click on the button to get your free trial, fill that form out, and you'll get the opportunity to get started for only 20 bucks. And with that 20 bucks, you can earn residual income all the way up to $16,500 commissions. Someone that is referred into your system, either you refer or it comes from one of the leads, wherever it comes from, if they go and purchase the product, one of the products, that pays that much, then you get paid that much. And there's all kinds of different products that you can get paid commissions on. So this really is something that even if you're on a shoestring budget, like you have virtually zero money, with 20 bucks, you can get started and you can start earning significant income, income that can really make a difference for you. And that's the beautiful thing about this. Also, if you want to take it a step further, you can add the additional income streams for very little. Doesn't cost a lot to add those income streams. But if you're on a very shoestring budget, again, 20 bucks gets you going. That gets you leads coming in. That gets those leads followed up for you by Sparky and the phone team. I don't know where else that exists. It doesn't. Don't even look. It doesn't exist. There's no one out there doing live onboarding like we're doing. There's nobody. So, I mean, as soon as someone comes through the system, they have the option to get live onboarding. If you don't know what live onboarding is, it's essentially just walking your new member through and showing them exactly what they need to do to be successful, to have fast success in the system. So, and they can get their questions answered by a live human being, like someone that really wants to help. A lot of our call center members, they're doing this because they want to help. They have a servant heart. So you're going to be talking to people that are going to take their time with you and really want to help you. So if you are serious about making extra money, money that can really make a difference for you, go to the description in this video and decide to get started because you're not going to find a better team. I mean, full of servant leaders, full of people that really want to help, really want to, change the world, to be honest. Like, change, there's so many people struggling right now. So we have an opportunity to really change that, even with the call center. So you can create a free account by just going to the link in the description, click here, and you can actually work in the call center. You can apply to work in the call center and earn commissions. One of the guys in the call center, I guess he was making like 750 a month somewhere else, $750 a month somewhere else. He's in the call center now, and in just 2 weeks, he was able to make $6,500 in commissions working in the call center. So, we're changing lives here. And that's what's so exciting. You have an opportunity no matter your status, no matter your financial status, right? No matter where you are, you could be like with nothing and you could still get an opportunity to either, do the 20 bucks and start using the system and, sharing the system and making commissions that way. And you could also go, you can do both, you don't have to do one or the other. You can do both, eat your cake, have your cake and eat it too. So you could even go and work at the call center too. And what's cool about the call center as well is they give you what's called Sparky Bucks. And when you earn these Sparky Bucks, those can be redeemed for advertising within the system, which is going to help build you more income. So but that's not it. They also pay you actual commissions, a real commission. So it's really an amazing system. There's nothing like this out there. There's nothing that has a live onboarding system. There are things out there that have AI, I will say that, but there's nothing that has live onboarding where you could talk to a human right away, right as soon as you come in, you get the help you want. And if you don't want to do it right away, you can schedule it for another time. So this is very, very powerful. This definitely will help conversions. I said this in a different video where a guy was getting 55% conversion rate. How is he doing it? It was a post Alex Hormozy put up. He said this person hired someone for $60,000 a year to call the leads as soon as they came in. Within 60 seconds, call the leads. And that created a 55% conversion rate because right away they're talking to someone right out the gate. And that's what we have here. As soon as you come through, you have the opportunity to talk to someone right away. And that's huge. Okay. Thank you for watching. Click that link in the description. I also got Sparky's phone number in the description as well. Just scroll down, you'll see it. It says Spark, call Sparky. Sparky knows, can answer anything. Ask Sparky anything is what it says. And it has a little phone number there. You can call, ask your questions. Like I said, you can go to the call center, get your questions answered. We have it all. Everything you need here is provided for you. All you need to do is make the decision to get started by going to the link in the description and filling out the form and getting started. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.